We are pleased to show you the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.